What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Little Pig Barbecue. I'm not doing a cooking video today, but what I am going to do is get you in here and check out a cooker that I did a quick review on about 4 months ago. So this is going to be kind of like a 4-month update. So today we're going to be looking at the Weber Kettle Deep Ocean Blue and just kind of see how it's been holding up for me over the last few months. So let's get you around here and check it out. There's the Deep Ocean Blue, the 22-inch Weber Kettle. So I've had this thing for about 4 months now. I haven't had any issues with it at all, but I do want to point out one of my concerns that I had whenever I first got this thing. If you notice over there, I've got the red limited edition. They released that a few years ago, and I picked this up at Academy Sports. It was on sale. I think it was $50 maybe. It was pretty cheap. I don't really know why they were selling it so cheap, but I picked it up for like 50 bucks and got it home. I personally have not had any issues out of that kettle, but reading online, some forums, some YouTube videos, a lot of people had issues with the porcelain coating either chipping off or it wasn't coated all the way and the bare metal was exposed. So obviously, with this being a new color, I was concerned that I would have the same problem, but I haven't had that issue at all. This thing has been amazing. It still looks brand new. There's no chips or cracks or missing places where they did not coat it. I mean, it is perfect. It looks brand new still. So I don't know what they did to change their process, but they've obviously changed something. This thing has been amazing. But again, I haven't had any issues with my limited edition yet. So I've had this thing for about 4 months. I've done a lot of cooks on it, 2 to 3 times a week probably. So it's been kind of my daily driver, if you will. But I've got my slow and sear set up in here, so I'm doing a lot of indirect cooking. I've done ribs, I've done chicken, I've done pork butts. Probably the only thing I haven't done in here is a brisket. So, and that's just because I like cooking brisket on a drum. But everything else I've done it in here. I'm going to point out some things that I really like about it. One of those things, and I mentioned this in the previous video about it, the intakes down here have larger holes near the tops, and that allows for easy controlling of your temperature. So I can dial in 225 to 250 easily with the slow and sear, and it will hold for 5, 6, 7 hours on a load of coal. Now you see these holes here. If I have it set, you know, about halfway between these two holes, again 225 to 250. This hole here, it'll keep it about 275 to 300, and if I opened all the way up, it's going to maintain super high heat. I can peg this thing out 500 plus degrees. So typical kettle, nothing fancy about it, but they did add some new features to this Master Touch that I really like. Now, if you notice, the lid is at an angle, so I'm going to point out the thing that I don't like about it. And this has been on every Master Touch. I'm not really sure why, but that lid bell is not large enough to keep the lid out of the way. So the lid kind of hangs over the cooking area a little bit. I would like to see it straight up and down, get it out of the way. Now, if you look over here at the Performer, they already have a lid bell that they make that does just that. Now you see that's out of the way, and that's exactly what I would like to see on the Master Touch, but they didn't do that. They put the normal lid bell on it, which is kind of annoying because you pay a lot of money for this and you kind of want it to have the top of the line features. But it is what it is. Now, in saying that, you can change this out pretty easily because the lid bell fits from the Performer, fits the kettle. And you can take this and open it all the way up, and the reason I can do that is because I bought the Performer lid bell and put it on my limited edition. I think it was around $20 on Amazon. So Not that big of a deal. I can change the lid bell out anytime I want. I just haven't done it yet, but I probably will be doing that. So that's all there really is to this kettle. It's been awesome. No issues at all. The color's holding up really nice. It's not faded or anything like that. Now I keep it in the garage, but if you keep it outside, just make sure you have a cover on it. Keep the water out of it. It'll keep anything from rusting. But I imagine this will outlast me. You know, I've seen kettles out there that look brand new that are 30 plus years old. So I anticipate me taking care of this. This is going to be around for generations. So let's get you around here and wrap this thing up. So if you're in the market for a Weber kettle, consider the Master Touch, the Deep Ocean Blue. The color's beautiful. The finish is awesome. Don't have any problems out of the enamel, the porcelain coating chipping off or anything like that. So they've really got that problem fixed. But the kettle's by far the most versatile cooker. Best bang for your buck. You can do low and slow, high heat grilling. I mean, it's just awesome. So why wouldn't you have one? But I appreciate you all stopping by today. This is just a quick review video. I'm not doing a cooking video or anything like that today, so I figured I could do a short 5 or 10 minute video of this cooker. So hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate your support. Stay healthy, stay safe. I'll see you all next time.